Hey, this is lesson 5.4, solving proportions, and they give us three methods to solve proportions. The first one, using mental math. The second one, use the multiplication property of equality, which sounds kind of difficult, but it just means if you see what you're multiplying the bottom by, you got to multiply the top by the same thing, or vice versa. And the third way, use cross products, which is one of my favorites. Let's take a look at some examples of each of these. Now, while we look at these, remember you can use any method you want to. Find the one that works best for the problem, or maybe you just use the same one each time. Whatever works best for you. For example 1, 5 over 7 equals x over 21. I would have noticed on the bottom they multiplied by 3 to go from 7 to 21. So I would have multiplied by 3 to go from 5 to 15. Here, they're looking at this, how do we get x by itself? Well, this is x over 21, which means x divided by 21. They multiply both sides by 21 to get x by itself, and they get x equals 15. Seems complicated to me, but if that's the way you like, go ahead and use it. Now here's three problems to do on your own, and it might look like you can't use that method I was just talking about where you see what you were multiplying on the top or the bottom. But if you simplify the completed fraction, so in number 1, if you simplify 6 over 9 to 2/3, then you can use that method. In number 2, if you simplify 12 over 10 to 6 over 5, you can use it. And in number 3, if you simplify 2/4 to 1/2, you can use it there too. So when we're going to solve these proportions, you can simplify the completed ratio just like you would simplify a fraction. For example 2, we're using the cross products property. So for part A, x over 8 equals 7 over 10. We do x times 10 and we get 10x. We do 8 times 7 and we get 56. So we now know 10x equals 56. To get x by itself, we divide both sides by 10 and we're left with x equals 5.6. For part B, 9 over y equals 3 over 17. 9 times 17 is 153. Y times 3 is 3y. We divide both sides by 3 to get y by itself, and we're left with 51 equals y. So the solution is 51. Here are three more for you to try on your own. And 4 and 5 aren't so bad. You just do the cross products and solve for the variable. But for number 6, when you do the cross products, 40 times 6 is one product you'll have to find. And then when you do the other diagonal, 15 times z plus 1, do that using the distributive property. You have to do 15 times z plus 15 times 1. So you'll have to be solving 15z plus 15 equals 240. So you'll be doing a two-step equation to solve that for z.